Kiddyzuzaa! There is 5 surprises hiding in Barbie's house, and I'm going to find them. Found one! A Barbie egg! 4 more left. Oh, there's a surprise in the lid! Wow! A Barbie Mega Blocks figure. Oh my! The doctor's costume. Only 2 more to find. A blind bag. 1 more left. Let's open this first. Come on, Barbie, let's try it on. This one. There we go. Kinder Surprise. It's a Barbie bracelet. I love this bracelet. A Barbie poster. Sweeties. Barbie stickers. A Barbie keyring. A Barbie outfit game. Barbie wearing a beautiful dress. Now it's time for the big egg. More stuff for Barbie. Pairs of shoes. Do you like these shoes, Barbie? Oh, I like these yellow shoes. You can put the shoes on your charm bracelet. I wish I could be a Barbie for one day. A Barbie fairy.
Yes, I'm the magic Barbie fairy, and I can make your wish come true.
That would be amazing.
All you have to do is start twirling and the transformation will begin.
Oh wow, I'm a Barbie. My hair is just like yours, Barbie. Love you, Barbie.
Oh, you're welcome. And there's more. Since you've been such a good girl, I'm going to give you 3 more wishes. So, what will your first wish be?
I want to be a superhero.
You know what to do.
Oh wow, I'm a real life superhero. Barbie to the rescue. Girl power. Wow, my Barbie superhero doll. She looks just like me. Let's save the world together, Barbie.
So, what's your second wish?
My second wish is I want to turn into a princess.
Just start twirling.
Oh wow! I'm a real life princess. Whoa! With those princesses now, we can really cut her hair. Look, I have Barbie's hair.
And what will your last wish be?
I want to turn into a mermaid.
Off you go.
I love my mermaid tail. Ooh! Bubbly. This is my favorite toy.
Barbie, guess what? I've hidden a giant Kinder Surprise egg in the house for you. Ooh, how exciting. That sounds like fun. Go on, start looking. I wonder where it could be. Could it be here? Or maybe under the bed. Yeah, I think I'll have a look there. No, it doesn't seem to be here. I think I'll try a different room. Yes, let's do that, Barbie. Okay, let's try my walk-in wardrobe. So many places to look. Perhaps it's here behind these dresses. No. Or maybe here. No, not here either. Next room it is then. Come on, Chelsea. I wonder, maybe it's inside the fish tank. No, not there. Or perhaps it's below this sofa. No, not there either. Well, it's a little bit cheeky, but how about you give me a clue? That's cheating. Well, you've got to try sometimes, don't you? Okay, let's do the kitchen next. Oh, I can't wait for you to find it. Me too. I hope it's here in this recycling bin. No. Or what about this pot? Not here either. Okay, let's see. How about the fridge? Yeah, let's try that. Oh, hurry up, Barbie. I can't contain my excitement. Okay, at least tell me if I'm hot or cold. Well, since you're at the fridge, you're definitely cold. Might as well check while I'm here. Oh, I found it! Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's just real eggs. Silly you, Barbie. Anyway, it's a giant egg. Yes, silly me. I really thought I'd found it then. Okay, next room. Oh, Chelsea, I just can't seem to find it anywhere. It's not next to the picture frame or the vase, and I've looked everywhere. Are you sure you looked everywhere? The only place I haven't looked in is the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom! The bathroom! It must be in the bathroom. Let's go! Oh, so exciting! Hurry up, Barbie, I can't wait! Look for it quickly! So exciting to be so close to the end. So, let me check here. Oh, I found it! I found it! I found the giant Kinder Surprise egg! I found the giant Kinder Surprise egg! Yes, Barbie, you found it! You found it! Oh, it's so exciting! Come on, let's open it! Oh, wow! It's the biggest Kinder Surprise egg I've ever seen in my life! It's absolutely huge! Let's open it! Let's open it! I can't wait anymore! I can't wait to see what surprise we'll find inside. Me neither! Okay, here goes. Let's start unwrapping. Oh, it's a mini needle! How fantastic! I just love it, Chelsea. Thank you so much for the best day ever. I had so much fun looking for the Kinder Surprise egg. Finally, I get to eat some chocolate.